Welcome to the course entitled The Foundations of Lean Manufacturing. Your instructor for this course is Wayne Hamm, FOAOM. He is the Industry Education and Training Specialist with Biotility. He has 20 years of experience in quality, training, education, organizational leadership, and lean management, practical application, and theory. Wayne earned a Master of Art in Organizational Management from the University of Phoenix and a dual Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering and Adult Education, with a specialization in education, training, and development from Southern Illinois University Carbondale. The Foundations of Lean Manufacturing, Module 1 Learning Objectives. Describe the historical roots of lean manufacturing principles. Discuss why the 5 central lean manufacturing principles can improve a manufacturing environment. Identify supporting techniques that can improve the quality of processes, production, and problem solving in lean manufacturing. The first step in a lean journey is identifying value in the eyes of the customer. You should determine what customers find value in and define a target price. This is different from the cost and pricing model, as it allows you to set pricing based on what the customer is willing to pay. This is the lean journey from beginning to end. First, we identify value in the eyes of the customer. Then we map the value stream. Then create flow and establish pull. And finally, seek perfection. There are a couple of techniques that support the lean journey and help companies identify where lean principles can be applied. The 5 whys is a technique used to help get to the root of causes of problems. It involves starting with the problem and asking why until the core issue is revealed. It turns out that this often takes 5 iterations, sometimes fewer and sometimes more. One of the main advantages of this technique is that it stops people from simply solving problems and forces them to dig deeper until they uncover the reason the problem occurred in the first place. For example, the wrong product was pulled when the item was scanned. Why? The wrong product or the wrong price was entered into the system. We could easily solve this problem by correcting the price in the system, but will that stop future pricing mistakes? Let's dig deeper and keep asking why. The wrong price was entered into the system. Why? An outdated pricing sheet was used. Why? The point of sale workstation was poorly organized. Now we've found something of value. We still need to fix the wrong price in the system, of course, but by digging further, we've found that a disorganized workspace contributed to the error and could potentially cause future mistakes. Organizing the workspace is a simple improvement that could prevent a lot of hassle. Notice that we didn't say who. Improvement initiatives often get off track when why is replaced with who. If we focus on who entered the wrong price into the system, we lose track of the process and work environment problems that are often the root cause of errors. The 5S workplace organization is a prevalent methodology that companies can use to improve their operations. The intent is to improve efficiency, minimize waste, and generally optimize how things are run. The 5S technique is most often used in manufacturing and warehousing organizations. Then, Kanban boards are visual systems that were established back in the 1940s. In the 1940s, Toyota began matching inventory with demand in order to allow for a just-in-time provisioning and production process. They did this by implementing a visual system for monitoring the flow of parts from the supplier to storage facilities to the assembly line. This system reduced cost, improved quality, and sped up the rate of production,